Today's recipe is my comfort food. 3 days ago I was quite sick and I'm very tired, not feeling so well. And what healed me was this beautiful soup recipe. It's called Lebeniye Soup. We have many different versions from Turkey. Some with meatballs, some with chard, some are drunk cold. But all are called Lebeniye, coming from Lebanese, coming from the word Leben, which is for whiteness, milk, yogurt. When you ask people where the origin of Lebeniye comes from, they always say it's from Lebanon. But when you look at Lebanon, we don't have a recipe like that. But it's how the culture fluctuates and goes from one place to another in a beautiful way. Anyways, this is a great soup which will give you comfort. But actually I wanted to make a gluten-free one. For the ones who don't have gluten can also have this recipe. Everything starts with a bit of mincemeat. We put the mincemeat and we fry it. I know we have many vegetarians on the channel. You can do this recipe without the mincemeat. It will also still be very good. Anyways, put the mincemeat with a bit of salt. First we brown it. It's gonna give out some water, then it's gonna swallow it back, evaporate, and then we put a bit more water. This helps the mincemeat parts to really dissolve in the mouth. We let it simmer for a while. When the mincemeat is ready, put a bit of butter and then the garlic. Then we add the thick, crunchy parts of the chard, thinly sliced. Stir it a bit, put a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, half a teaspoon of allspice. Now we put a bit of water. When it starts to boil, we add the rice. After the rice starts to get really soft, add the boiled chickpeas. The beauty of Turkish soup lies in the water. The water becomes really tasty. And we succeed this in different ways. In this one, we put a lot of yogurt. And then to that yogurt, we put an egg so that the yogurt, when it gets heated, do not curdle. The egg and the yogurt bind together, heated slowly with a bit of salt, adds a great flavor. If you want more sourness, you can add a bit of lemon if you like, before it gets heated up. Then slowly add this mixture to one another and it becomes a great soup. Looks very pale. To decrease that paleness, two things we can do. If you have dried mint in your house, use the dried mint. If you don't have dried mint, chop up fresh mint or chop up some herbs, whatever you have in the house, with a bit of butter. Heat the butter until it smells very nicely and very nutty. Then add the fresh herbs in and then add it to the soup. And then it's ready to eat. There is rice, there is meat, and it's very juicy. It's a soup, but it's actually a comfort food that will fulfill you in cold days, that will fulfill you when you're sick, that will fulfill you when you want to be in your cocoon and get your rest. This will give you all that with a nice, soothing stomach. This is the recipe for the day. As I said, in Turkey we have different versions of it. I also want to show you the different versions. The one with the meatball, the one that is eaten cold, and the one with the meat. This is actually the same soup with the same name, and in every different city it starts to become different. Actually, that's the beauty of Turkey. We are this one country, not a very big one, not a very small one, but in this country we have so many variations. Through the centuries, we have been through so much, and that is affected and seen in the food. These are hundreds and hundreds of years of traditions coming to today with a great taste. So hope you try this recipe and you enjoy it. Lots of love and big kisses from Turkey. Bye.